Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don come your screen, me don come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, on Monday wey be the 2nd day of December for inside this year 2024, the Edo State Governor wey be Monday Okpebholo, he don swear in 3 judges wey the Godwin Obaseki administration bin shun during the swearing in of 5 of their colleagues inside last year wey be 2023. Oga Monday Okpebholo don come outside now dey yarn say the reason why he swear in the 3 judges na sake of say he gats fulfill his campaign promises, and that campaign promise na to right the wrongs of his predecessor. And no be lie my good people, the National Judicial Council for inside the month of June for inside the year 2023, dem bin recommend and dem bin clear 8 judges for the Edo State High Court. But however, my good people, the immediate past governor of Edo State wey be Godwin Obaseki, he swear in 5 out of them. He can leave out 3 others from the 8 judges wey the National Judicial Council bin recommend for the Edo State High Court. So as Oga Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State dey supervise the judges they are swearing in for inside the festival hall of the government house on Monday wey be the 2nd day of December for inside this year 2024, Nigerian come dey yarn say during his swearing in ceremony as governor of Edo State on the 12th day of November for inside the year 2024, he acknowledged the critical role of the judiciary under the doctrine of separation of powers. Now they are very much gathered there to strengthen the role of the judiciary, and the National Judicial Council for inside the month of June for inside the year 2023, they don recommend 8 persons for appointment as judges of the Edo State High Court. But 11 months after the recommendation of the NJC wey be National Judicial Council, only 5 of those wey they recommend na they come last swear in as judges by the immediate past administration, and he can't leave out the 3 judges. And the past governor wey be Godwin Obaseki, he shun the 3 judges even when they have all been cleared, even when they have all been recommended by the National Judicial Council wey be NJC. Now based on say the matter, he no like how the thing take play. For inside his own inaugural speech when they anoint him as governor, he can make a promise to look into the case. And all these levels they happen sake of say, in his own point of view, nobody is supposed to be discriminated against or marginalized or hated for personal reasons or on account of not having a godfather. Then he can give the new judges their charge to make them uphold a high standard of conduct and make them ensure fair dispute resolution and make them uphold the rights of citizens and make them bring culprits into justice. This my good people, now the things and things wey dey come aside from the mouth of the Edo State governor during the swearing in of the 3 judges. And after he don yarn all these levels finish, one of the judges wey dey go by the name Justice Ojo Osa, on behalf of the others, come dey give thanks to the Edo State governor for the opportunity wey don give them now to serve as judges for inside Edo State. And she come dey appreciate Oga Monday Okpebholo for making their swearing in a reality in just 3 weeks wey the man enter office as governor. Anyhow, this informate be you for body my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit intel wey dey my table wey I need share give the general public. The koko now be say, the Academic Staff Union of Universities, the RI0USLY University chapter, they don dey give accolade to the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo for reinstating staff members of the university who were unlawfully disengaged under the administration of Godwin Obaseki. On Monday wey be the 2nd day of December for this year 2024, the secretary to the state government bin drop statement, and for inside that statement they call dey announce the approval for reinstatement of the sacked workers by Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State. And they come dey describe am as a demonstration of his commitment to justice and the rule of law. According to how dem take yarn for inside the statement, my good people, they say it is to be announced for the information of the general public that the governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo has approved the immediate reinstatement of staff of the RI0USLY University Ekpoma who were unlawfully disengaged from the service of the institution by the defunct Special Intervention Team in the month of March for the year 2023 under the administration of former Governor Godwin Obaseki. And it will be recalled that the staff who were members of the Academic Staff Union of University were unjustly relieved of their appointments following their agitation for the payment of outstanding salaries and other entitlements owed to them. Dis my good pipo na how the secretary to the state government take yarn for inside their statement. And like dis now, my good pipo, dis man now dey yarn say the action of Oga Monday Okpebholo dey underscore his belief in the principles of natural justice, equity and good conscience. Then he consider dey assure the country pipo dey for inside Edo State say the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo, dis man im dey very much committed to correcting any injustice, to correcting any wrong for inside Edo State. After every the chairman of the Academic Staff Union of Universities, RI0USLY University chapter, he come dey yarn dey give tori pipo. As in dey yarn dey give tori pipo, in dey express the satisfaction of the union with the decision of the governors. Dis man now dey let country pipo dey know through tori pipo say they are very much okay with the things and things wey Governor Monday Okpebholo dey do for inside Edo State. And he consider dey yarn say this decision now wey the Edo State governor just dey make, so e dey align with justice. E dey make sense well and e dey go well. And he consider dey yarn say this new government now e don dey cancel all the injustice, e don dey correct all the wrongs wey dem don do some of their colleagues wey dem disengage without due process or any violation of university rules and regulations. Then the chairman come dey describe the reinstatement as a vindication of the union, their stance on the issue. And he say this now na a step in the right direction for fairness and accountability. Like this now, their members are very much happy and they give accolade to the state government, especially the state governor wey be Monday Okpebholo, for this very particular action. And according to the chairman, these actions now wey the Edo State governor now dey demonstrate, so e dey show say this in government true dey stand for justice. E dey show say this in government dey do wetin dey right. So this my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Na we be Anointed Lady TV. Na we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you dey gbadu our updates and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na go first receive the update and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.